Nyambe njeri gathungu kanini nigetha arutwo amaigwe ni njui gathungu na maigwe deformed. And this is a word of encouragement to you. Way back in 1974, when my grandfather passed away, I was the age of 9. I became a caregiver to my grandmother. Na tugitindikana nake ginya gikarikia form 6, the caregiver. Githoma gika form 4 for standard 70 twathiaga twakaga CPE. Gitwo Kagumo, gutiari governor toy ugiandwarire Kagumo, githie Rubagati. My first school fees yarihirwo na murigo wangu. Chocho agikuwa ngo agitwara cukuru. Agicoka agitwara bebe githoma. Umuthi ni senator wa Nyeri because I am focused. A software engineer guthomera Cologne University, one of the most prestigious university thini wathi. Masters in development study. Na toguo governor pursuing a PhD degree in environmental studies. No mutuike anything that you want, regardless of where you come from. Ashiari, what I took from my grandmother is a word of encouragement. Mwana wajo kaereragira rukoine ginya kaiya gukaigana. It does not matter where you come from. What matters is where you're going. Na haria urenda guthie, we niwe ugutuika determinant. Muciari na wira waku ni ku encourage mwana. Okiroko okira ukamwira nidirona we ni ugatuika muthamaki. Nidirona we ni ugatuika dagitari. Governor gucokeria ngatho muno. Tondu no ngwire andu aige scholarships ici magihete ciana cia supporters ao. Governor nidirona muciari hara ndigukonie ni uriku akuhuraga ari mundu wa Wanguku na mwana wake ari haha. Thank you muno governor tondu rathutukania. Ma MCA mari haha no ndimere kuri aciari ndirona haha matamu supportaga. Thank you because you allowed this to be transparent. Thank you. Governor, koro kuri kindu gigukurehera kirathimo kinene ni maundu mayoreka. And I want to assure you governor, tondu ni turarikanire guikarira gitikiria njikarire na nigikio ikarire. Program ino governor ni guthie na mbere. I'm going to support it tondu gutiri kindu kiega ta gu support mwana. Na niwe ruru rwa nathiraja una guthira rwikaga atia. Na governor dukerwo ni andu etere ugatuo minister. Let me give you a sincere advice. How ni kwirirwo twambe twethaite uikarire gia senator menda gwakwekia minister ugatiga gia senator uthikia waziri. Na governor nie ni njui ground ikarire. Kila kiratuma andu aingi mone tukiruta wira na governor ni turaugire bogo itiriaga hamwe ni kwendana ni kugitanira. Na ni turaugire and if you look in many counties ya ciari gutire handu ngikora senator na governor maikarite hatu kuwe kuingi ma MCA na governor matiaranagiria. No leadership ya Nyeri ni turaugire tondu twathurirwo turutire andu aya wira muno muno turore ciana ici ni undu wa rucuru witu. Thank you muno governor. Under your leadership county assembly ya Nyeri ni iratwikire rated as the best performing in Kenya. Under your leadership, Governor, county government of Nyeri was rated as the best performing in Kenya. Under your leadership, Governor, Senator wa Nyeri Rugamite Amurero Niuchuwe was rated as the best, the second best governor, senator in Kenya. Maudumashio, it's only possible because nituweate turaruta wera twe hamwe. Moving forward, Governor, aruti aku awera county government, they are workers. Na tondu na ni rahman environment ya kuruta wira ona ni ndaikarira giti kiu uri okwenda wira no ku apply agathie na mbere ndigati ndagicenjia andu ingi mauga njukaga na ngoka tene governor ni guka kurorerwa baga maundu ngoka ngarwa ciana ta ici nigetha ngamenya ici nicio riu ngiwa giti anio magakorwo magithi university because we want there to be continuity. Turaugire Nyeri ngari iraruruma tutikuhoria. Turauga Nyeri muruti wa wira takahiga tutingimwira ainuke mucie agaika karitae. Na ni tukwenda mundu Nairobi akarehaga mbeca turia ndehaga nigetha wira ukaruteka. Riu nake athi Nairobi andehere mbeca na ni uria ukorwo atigitie njike atia. Na Nyeri ndimwire siasa cia Nyeri ni twarikirie. Gutire hindi mukaigwa mundu arugamite haha akiruma uri ungi. Turiaragia tukoiga maendeleo ma andu a Nyeri. And that is why this county we are going together kumitwara handu hanene muno tondu ni tumenyete ka muingi ni koyaga ndiri itakwenda gukiria hau tondu kuri handu tuguthie njoe mweke uyu jete governor wito oke amwalirie. Atimia gemi. Asante sana, karibu sana governor.
Asante sana muikare thi. Asante sana super senator wito. Senator Wahome Wamatinga. Majority leader wito re haha geikaro geke niwe mheshimiwa Kanyugo kana mwalimu Kanyugo oro hamwe na MCAs yaria mari haha mawaziri aitu mari haha twina Margaret twina health Kirago twina dagitari Kirago twina Peter Macharia mwalimu twina munene wa Girigacha na niwe urugameire finance mundu gwetwa wa Chehe tuko na Hanif principals of secondary schools and high schools that are here. Ebuni waone. Principals, thank you. I can see Principal Kiaragana, Principal Bijigandu, Principal Gadera, is it? Neta Gwatia? Dan Kandego. When did you come to Dan Kandego? Yeah. I think they need you. That school needs you, Nima. And I'm happy. Principal Nyeri High School. Thank you. The principal, Lukere JSS school. Yeah, very good. My director Nariage, Nashiari Hamjambo. The Form 4 class going to university. Ariado na Makwari Yagedogo, and now the Form 1s. Hamjambo na wananchi. May I say from the onset, Deputy Governor Tikoro Lete, Agatigira Wamatinga, Maota Wesiri Ogua, Delamu Haida Roda, Atengere Nairobi Kauduari Nako. Ithe tiwega tukiuge tukaheana utheri to ne mwe kuri ugie twakoragwo nake na ndaonekaga ni neguo chio. So we are nyabe juge to everybody here. This is my most emotional moment in my program. All the programs that I do, the most emotional for me is this one. Because when I look at these children, when I look at these kids, I look at these parents, it really touches my heart. Because nobody should ever be where they are now. This is not a proud moment for anybody. This is an emotional moment for us, as a county, as a people, as a community, that we are in this situation. It is not the best. Because we have come to display our inabilities, our poverty, our poor economic state, and we must confront it in the face and say, when shall we get rid of this problem? Because you have listened from the MCS, they are saying there are many more. Kuna wengi wengine ambao wangekuwa hapa, lakini hatuna uwezo. And surely as we sit here, as a government, as a people, as a community, we must address this matter. Honorable Senator, this program costs us every year a minimum of 18 million Kenya shillings. Because there are 240 students, 240 from 1 to Form 4, that we are paying 60,000, 70,000, 80,000 for per year. So it costs how much? Close to 18 million. That is a big hole in our bursary program. Our bursary program is 100 million. Ukitoa 18, inabaki 82. Now, we have a problem, Senator, and MCA's chairman, the chairperson of education. You have heard Ombasa speaking. He wants to go to university. Where is the money to take him to university? When we ask now, and we thank the KK government, because the new program is classifying our students into 3 lots. Number 1, most vulnerable, total orphans. They are getting 100%. Then we have lot number 2, where many of them fall, and we are writing letters for them. They will get 80% total. And then the 20%, around the 10%, watapewa help 60,000, alafu hiyo ingine sasa 30% muzazi anatafuta. And then there is the other one that can afford. But surely, tomorrow, the next day, with the very squeezed economic times, I think it is time for us as Nyeri County to say we must double our bursary program from 100 million to 200. And I want us to look at it. If we now double it to 200, let you and HELB sit together, where we can dedicate and say maybe 40 to 50 million goes to HELB. HELB will give Nyeri another 50. Then we will have a program of 100 million for university students. For specific for Nyeri. Then the 150, you can now get the 18 for this, or you can even increase it like we are requesting. Then we will, so that we also don't touch the 100 million. Because if the Chairman Cyrus tells you today, Dan Kandegwa hapo, ambao wako na 3,000,000 iko shida hata huko. Wale watoto ambao wako hata day schools wako na shida. And therefore, ni bure sisi tujenge mabarabara, ni bure sisi tujenge mashule kama hatuna watu ambao kesho yetu watasimama waseme hawa ndio wale tuli. So that is all about this program. And when we look at it, roads tutajenga na zitabomoka, waheshimiwa. Tutajenga nyumba zitaondoka. Tutafanya mambo tuweke mataa. Juzi tulitengeneza, I don't know how much, ile taa ya Kamukunji. Tuliweka, we spent I think 15 million for all of them. The other day tulienda siku ya kurusha mwaka. Imeibiwa, sijui uliniambia nini imeibiwa. Photo sensors wameiba. That is money, but when we touch this life, nimewambia juu ya Karichuta. Wapi mtu kijana wa Karichuta? This boy will change the lives of people around Karichuta, that family. Watabadilishwa. Keti. Sasa, this is why we are doing this. And I'm glad, Senator, wherever you are buying into this. The MCAs have bought into this. I am telling you, hiki ndicho kitu ambacho tunaweza kusimamisha mbele ya wananchi wa Nyeri. Na tuseme, kwa miaka 4-5, tuko na watoto 300 wako university, wanasoma, wamalize, waje wapate kazi, wajenge Nyeri.